Here we've got our T floor guide. I wanted to share with you a great way to center it in the pocket frame. We've taken a block of wood and ripped it to fit inside the steel posts of the pocket frame. We've also ripped a 1/8 slot down at the bottom of it to fit over top of the T-guide. Take the block, install it over the T-guide, slip it right over there, and then you can knock it into place between the steel studs. Let the T-guide stick 3/8 in front of the posts. That will keep it engaged in the door, and the T-guide will still be covered when the door is closed. You're gonna, or open or closed. You're gonna have trim on the front of that yet too. Place a clamp down at the bottom and one at the top of the block, and that pressure on the block will hold it and the T-guide in place while you drill the holes for the concrete anchors. Go ahead and drill your holes, one in the front and one in the back. Once you have your holes drilled, you can install the concrete anchors. We also modified a couple of bolts to use them as nail sets for these. Works really good, so you don't have to hit your fingers when you're installing those. Once you get these anchor pins in place, then you can go ahead and take the two clamps off and remove the center block, and you're all set. Thanks for watching.